guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Code. So in the previous video I have made the import data from the Excel in client and save to the database. So in bonus I will making two video about send email using Gmail in Spring Boot API. The first video here is the basic send mail using Gmail. So to send the Gmail in send mail using the Gmail, so you must go to the Gmail and you click to setting and see on setting, and now here you can click to account and import. Click to other Google account setting, and here the another page will display, and we click to security. In the security you must turn on the two-step verification here. If you if stated is off, you must turn on it. Then you go to click to add password here. Now you sign in. Now you must now at here is the app password. So you click to select app and choose the other email sender here and click to generate. Here is the password to send the email. You copy and I will paste at here. Here is the password, so I will put it in the description. So to send the Gmail using the Java, you must choose the dependency here. You choose the dependency Java mail sender, and you explore and you copy the dependency here, and in the POM file you paste it at here and here, and you click to close the margin chain, and for the import the dependency for the Spring Boot starter mail here, and you so now you create a file name application.yml here. You can see that, and for the YML you must configure some property. The first property is Spring mail and default encoding, and choose the UTF-8 and the host is http://gmail.com, and the port you must choose 587 is the port, and username is your email, and my email is code by self yt@gmail.com, and the password here I have here is the password I have generated from here, and you copy it to here to config file, and property you must mail SMTP, and authent equal true, and status TLS if TLS enable TLS equal true, and you must debug equal true for send the for can see the log in the console log, and protocol tag connection equal 4, and protocol is SMTP. And now we have config for the send mail. Now the host, username, password, mail, SMTP, authentication, start TLS, enable and debug, and protocol and tag connection here. So now I create pack in new interface is mail service. Here the method is void send mail test here. So I add new class in the implement package mail service implement here service, and implement from mail service and implement method. So in the class mail service implement, you must also inject the dependency for the Java mail sender and mail sender here, and value you must get the value of username to set to and set from, or set the email here for the mail sender. The value is here. So spring dash mail dash username and private string here is the email mail here spring dot mail dot username here, and in the method send mail tag here is the check case block here print structure to see the exception, and now create the message message equal using the mail sender create message here, and using the message helper to send the mail helper equal new message, and the parameter binding here is a message and multipath mode mix here multipath mode mix related here, and the standard character here is UTS dash name here. Here we have created successfully the helper for the message and for the multipath mode, and can send the multi mode mix like file or email or text or someone. And at here we have set to set from the email here, and helper set to so I have the email kt cmc gmail.com, and set tag. Here we have set from, set to, and helper set tag. And here, hello, my name is here. This is email from self-cost here, and then we helper set title, set subject here is a title here, mail test. And now after we set all everything, so mail sender dot send the message here. And now in the I will create a new Java class a mail controller here, and here REST controller here, request mapping mail here, so private inject the dependency mail service here, annotation requirement constructor, and public string. Here is a test API, so send mail test here REST mapping. Here is a test send mail send test here, and return always succeed here, and mail service dot send mail test. So now I will run the project. Here you can see project has run successfully. So in the Postman, here is a KT CMC Gmail here. So now I will get the request here, I copy it here, mail send test. So now I have clicked send here, success. So in the console here, because I set the debug here equal true, and then you can see the debug mode here, Jakarta mail version, and successfully here try to connect. Here you can see here is a debug mode and KT CMC, and hello, this is email from the self-cost. So now I can check. Here you can see subject is mail test here, title, and the content is hello, this is the email from the self-code. So now here I have successfully sent the email from the with the basics and the simple way, by the simple way, and in the if you have any question, so you can, for the helper, you can have set the BCC and the CC here, and anyone you want to CC or BCC can receive this mail. And here, and many property here, and you can iterate address here, separate reply, and many things. But here is a basic video about the send mail. I have teach you how to send an email using the Gmail and include the template engine is Thymeleaf. So for the simple way, it is we attach the HTML file to an email and send for the user and send to the Gmail of the user. So now let's start. First you go to the mavenrepository.com and you search the Thymeleaf Spring file and go here and we click to Maven and we copy the dependency. Then in the POM file you paste here. So I think you change to the 3.1.1 version. So now we click to reload. So I think we delete the version. Here it's successful. So if you, I think we also have the version 3.0 here, and I reload. The version I always use for the Thymeleaf template. So to put the Thymeleaf template to the email, I will create the new interface Thymeleaf service, and in the Thymeleaf service here I create a method to create the content of HTML file, and the content here is string create content and string templates, and we can, because if you create the Thymeleaf file, the Thymeleaf templates, and using the HTML file, you can pass the variable from the Thymeleaf from Java to the HTML by using the Thymeleaf. So now let's see map string variable here. Variable here, and now create a new class Thymeleaf service to implement the Thymeleaf service, and here, so in the Thymeleaf service here, push the annotation service and implement methods create content. So in the method create content, you write some config. First, write a config here. You must config for the Java can resolve the template engine. So now first I will create some property. Private static final string mail template base name equal mail dash mail message here, and another here is private static final string mail template graphic here is a template here for the template here or template here, and private static final string mail template suffix equal .html for the HTML file, and private static final string UTF-S equal UTF-S here. So now I will create the config the template static template engine for the Thymeleaf and template engine, and initialize template engine equals static by static block equal email template engine here. Now have the method email template engine here. In this method we have final spring template engine equal new spring template engine here, and template engine dot set template engine message resource equal email message source. Here is the method. I will create method here for the message source template engine. So I think here, so return here is resource bundle message source email template here, and also we set the template engine message source and template resolver. Set template resolver equal HTML template resolver. Here is another method. So we will config it, and here we return template engine, and for the for the HTML template resolver we have the final class load template resolver equal new class load template resolver, and template resolver you can set prefix equal email mail template prefix template resolver dot set suffix equal mail template suffix, and set template resolver dot set template most equal HTML, and template dot set clickable equal fill, and we set the character encoding. Set character encoding equal UTF-S, and so we return template resolver, and for the resource bundle message source of email message source method, it has a final resource bundle message source equal new resource bundle message source, and message source dot set by name equal mail template by name, and return the message source. So here we have config the HTML file. So we have for the method create content Here we have the final contact for the Thymeleaf. Contact here, contact equal new contact here, and contact dot set variable equal variable here, and we return. So we return string. Here is a string object, not string. So I have followed here string object here, and also we return template engine dot process templates and contacts. Here we have successfully configured the Thymeleaf service for the template engine. So now in the mail service here we also, because I have prepared the mail sender tag and another is create a customer mail template here. So for first I will send email with template. For you can see first. Now you can see that here helper.set set tag equal. So here we ask the provide Thymeleaf service here, inject the Thymeleaf service here, set tag equal Thymeleaf service dot create content, and template here is a mail sender test dot html, and the not know we don't have variable, and choose it here. Set tag for the HTML, string tag and boolean HTML. Yeah. So we have helper.cc, and I have created the cc email spring boot salescode@gmail.com, spring boot salescode email.com here for the cc, and for the t and mail test with templates HTML here. Because now I will send request. I will send, for you can see here successful. So now I will send the email, and successfully. So you can see here is a debug mode with the information of when send the email. You can see here from code by cell, YT to KT, and CC to Spring Boot cell code, and here with subject mail with templates. So now here you can see here with template engine. So I think here, because I save also, I must delete it because it same and set first, then here the duplicate, and I will delete it. Now I will rerun, and you can see here is a from the CC, here from the CC here, and from the here from the tool, here is a tool to copy itself to KTCMC. Now I send again. Successful. So you can see here template engine have been sent here. You can see this is an automated message, please do not reply, and here mail template and the HTML file have been included. And for the CC here you can see CC also received the message. So now I will put a variable and let's start. So in the mail, here is a test. So in the customer controller here, I have created host mapping, create account and public response entity. By response, create customer here, and we the request body customer DTO here, and we return new response entity, and so status okay. So now here is a mail sender tab, and here is a for the customer service here, and I create the methods by response, create customer here, customer DTO here, and in the customer service implement methods, create customer here, and at here we also save data, and because I do it quickly, and customer detail I use I not validator, not anything, it will be okay, and we save data to the database, and we save data to the database, and in the mail service we have void send mail, create customer here, customer DTO here. We write a method to send mail when create customer here, and in the create customer here we also using the data from the client and send the email. So now we post child cat exception e dot print tag child here. So at here we also create the message equal email sender dot create the message, and also message helper equal new message helper, and at here we have the message, we have the multi-path mix generators, we have the UTF-8 standard chassis dot UTF-8 name here, and also and from customer DTO we have private string email, private string, private list string, mail cc, private string username. So we have create some property to set variable to the Thymeleaf. So in the mail service here, we helper.setTo của etl.get email, and for the set for the CC or BCC, we also convert object BCC object equal etl.get mail cc dot to array, and string BCC equal array dot copy of BCC object and BCC object dot length here, and string for string dot class here, and then helper dot set BCC equal BCC here. And for the variable, we also create the map collection string and object variable here equal news has map here, and variable we put the key and value at here. So string here is a name, so I will open the create customer mail template. Here I have prepare here name here. Now in the mail service, string here is a name, is a variable in the HTML file we using the Thymeleaf to pay, and the value object here is a value to display in the email. So now we put here, I have created the full name, username, first name, last name, email, and date. So so I have put on variable and on the value of variable and to the map. Now first I put a full name here equal etl.get customer name, and variable dot put the username, and etl.get username, variable dot put first name equal etl.get contact first name, variable dot put last name equal etl.get contact last name, and variable dot put the email, and etl.get email. And so full name, username, first name, last name, email, and date. For the days here, I will pay from the simple this format FDF equal new simple date format day that's month that's year and variable that's post for the days equal ATFs dot format new days is for the now time is now here. And also we have dot set text here equal Thymeleaf service dot create content here create customer mail templates dot HTML and variable here and HTML equal true and helper set from the email and email sender dot send the message and so I will put the debug at here and in the customer controller here he has in the customer service here send mail here we mail service we inject the mail service here private final mail service at here and mail service does send mail create customer and pass customer at here and here is the by response new response set code equal 200 by response says message create successfully. So now you can see I will customer service does create customer here. Now you can see I will show to user the template like this here from the full name you have created successfully account to my app, thank you very much, and the detail information here and I will change the full name and comma and the detail information here is the detail information here okay. So in the customer controller here, so in the I will copy the request, copy the API customer here, create method import, and I will pass the body here, the body here. First we use the full name is get customer name and so we have username and username and first name, contact last name contact first name, contact last name, and email, and email here. So customer name is sound code, username is zone Bengali, and contact first name is zone, first name is Bengali, and email is ktcmc@gmail.com, and another email cc here is Spring Boot subcode gmail.com, and set the cc equal dtl.getmail cc. And now, so here I think so set to set btc. Now I will run the project. Here project starts successfully. So now I will, because the port method, and I send the ID, and I send. So for the ID, because we must, so I think in the customer service implement, because if we save, we must the customer number, but I don't pass. But then I think we don't save it. Customer here, we don't save the data. We also send the email. Now I rerun the project. Because the customer number is ID, and primary key is a database, and we must pass it, but I don't pass, and then it's an exception. And now I will send a request, and you can see, because I run with the run mode, not debug mode, and then I have put the debug point at here. I have put the debug point at here, but it not processed. But now we will check mail. You can see status is okay, because in the customer service I also return the null, must return the mail report, but it not possible. It's not important that I will check the mail. Here you can see mail here. Dear Salcode, you have created successfully account to my app, and thank you very much. And here the detail information, username Zobali, and full name is Zone, and noon, and email is here. Date here it's successfully, but in the CC is always the same. But I will check in the mail service. Contact first name, contact last name is known. think contact first name, contact last name. So I think in the customer here, first name, last name, yes, contact last name. Now I will run in debug mode to check why it's null. But you can see the email has sent successfully here for the here for 2 and CC. 2 and CC is the same. 2 and CC. Now I will push the debug mode here, send the request. So you can see from the DTO we can press and dot click, and we can get the contact first name, contact last name. We know because from the here contact last name, because I have wrong with get from the client. Now I press the F9 to project run normally. You can see create successfully, but I send again. You can see here contact first name, contact last name. Now we will check here, check again here, zone Bali. The email has sent successfully with full detailed information. And so here is everything I want to teach in this video. You can see that I have passed the variable and to the Thymeleaf here, and we also config the Thymeleaf service that here, resource, and config all the things. And so I think this video has stopped now, and if you have any question, any wrong, any error, you can comment and I will explain to you. So thanks for watching, and goodbye, and see you in the next video.